The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 looks like the kind of smartwatch that is almost impossible to criticize. It is bigger, tougher, brighter, more powerful, and packed with features that make the original Galaxy Watch Ultra look like yesterday's hardware. But there is one problem. The more you look at the Ultra 2, the more you realize it isn't perfect. Some of its biggest weaknesses only become obvious after you stop looking at the spec sheet and start thinking about how you will actually use it every day. So before you spend your money, here are 7 problems you seriously need to know about, ranging from minor annoyances to the ultimate reason why some people should skip it entirely. Let's start with the first problem, which you'll notice before you even start using the watch. It is big, and I mean really big. That rugged case gives it a premium look, but in daily use, it can feel noticeably large and heavy, especially during long hours of wear or overnight sleep tracking. Comfort is deeply personal, and a massive design can easily work against you if you prefer a subtle fit. Problem number 2 makes you question if you're actually getting extra value for all that hardware. Yes, it's an Ultra model with a tougher build and ultimate branding. But do you actually need all of that? If you mainly want notifications, basic fitness tracking, and music controls, a cheaper Galaxy Watch can handle it. If you buy it just because it looks powerful, you could end up paying for capabilities you barely touch. Problem number 3. The smartwatch experience still depends heavily on software. A smartwatch isn't just a piece of hardware, it's an ecosystem. If you use Samsung and Galaxy devices, the Ultra 2 makes total sense. But if you're outside that ecosystem, the experience becomes less straightforward. Always check if it works the way you want with the phone you already own before dropping serious cash. Moving on to problem number 4, battery life. While the Ultra 2 packs a larger battery, endurance depends heavily on display brightness, continuous GPS usage, health tracking, and your daily habits. Heavy fitness users will see a massive difference compared to casual users. Furthermore, charging becomes one more daily routine to manage, especially if you rely on it for continuous 24/7 health and sleep monitoring. Problem number 5. Some of the Ultra 2's biggest features aren't equally useful to everyone. A super bright outdoor display and advanced rugged tracking sound incredible on paper. But if you spend most of your day indoors, do you really need them? If you aren't a serious athlete or outdoor enthusiast, you might be paying for an experience that doesn't change your daily life. Problem number 6 is the design itself. Samsung wants this watch to look like a serious piece of rugged equipment, and it succeeds. But that aggressive styling won't match everyone's wardrobe or preference. If you want something that slips effortlessly under a dress shirt cuff and feels weightless, the Ultra 2 is the polar opposite. And remember, you cannot fix size or design with a software update. Finally, problem number 7. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 can make the original Ultra feel less exciting without being a completely different product. Premium tech is often about refinement rather than revolution. If you already own a recent Galaxy Watch or the original Ultra, look closely at what has actually changed for your specific usage before assuming a new generation means an entirely new experience. At the end of the day, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 doesn't have to be perfect to be impressive. It just has to be worth the money for you. If you love the rugged design, spend time outdoors, and will actually use the fitness tools, it's an incredible piece of tech. But if you want something light, simple, or affordable, the premium price becomes hard to justify. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.